Matt again at Pandora HQ. Today we've had another high performance vehicle in for a very necessary security upgrade. This customer has opted for the strongest system available today on the market, the Elite V2. Built into the system, you have a dual shock sensor, a tilt sensor, a motion sensor, and you even have the additional internal sensor. The Elite even includes worldwide real-time tracking straight from your smartphone or desktop. You'll also get real-time phone notifications, including calls, texts, and push notifications through the mobile phone app. So if the shock sensor is triggered, you'll know when, where, and why. The Elite has the smallest alarm brain for a system of that specification and the most advanced technology, including Bluetooth 5, 4G connectivity, LoRa technology for the long-range remote, and a range of different sensors to protect your vehicle under almost any circumstance. And with the C63S, we even have the ability to remotely shut down the car and disable the tag. So in a worst-case scenario where a thief has broken into the house and found the car keys and found the Pandora tag and tried to drive off the vehicle, you can immobilize it and kill it and go find it. Now, every Pandora system is compatible with this Mercedes C63S. Obviously, this customer has opted for the biggest and baddest, the Elite V2. For more information, visit www.pandoraCaralarms.co.uk, where you can also find your nearest authorised dealer.